Yeah, hi everyone. Welcome back with the second regular Sudoku in this daily newspaper of Wednesday. Yes, it's still Wednesday, November the 3rd, 2021. We have here in this newspaper three regular Sudokus. The first one I've already solved. I will do the second one, the medium Sudoku, and the last one is a killer Sudoku. Alright. And today we have not so good news here in the Netherlands because the people infected with corona are still increasing. Yes. So the government wants to wants to wants everybody vaccinated, but it will be difficult because people are not so willing. They want to force them to vaccinate it, and the vaccinated degree is here 87%, so it's quite high, but still the infection is still increasing, and the people in the hospital are a lot. So I'm concerning, yes, these days. So maybe there will be a lockdown. I don't know. I hope not. If it's increased over the 10,000 infection per day. Anyway, so let's get started with this medium Sudoku. That's the news. This will be number 3629. Okay. And before I start, I always count up printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, alright? And if you compare it with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars, Sudokus in additional, this will be a 2 stars. And for 2 star Sudoku, I need, I need 15 to 20 minutes to solve. We will see. So let's get started. In this big square, we have 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 7 and the 2. We have a 7 and a 2 in this row, so no 7 and a 2 in these 3 boxes. The 7 and a 2 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 7 and a 2. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Alright. 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between the middle column, only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the last row, 6 in the row above. So that row, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. 6 in the third column, 6 in the second column. So the first column, the only place for the 6 should be there. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only 2 places for the 6 should be here or there. We see there 6, no 6 there, 6 should be here. And all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6 are right. How about these 4 missing numbers in this big square? 2 of those missing numbers are the 4 and 8. We have a 4 and 8 in the middle column, so no 4 and 8 in these 2 boxes. So the 4 and 8 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 4 and 8. Let me mark those 2 boxes, 4 and 8. So 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4. 5, the 6, the 7 is missing, the 8 and the 9 is missing. 7 and the 9, let me mark those two boxes. 7 and 9, okay. So we have a 9 in this column, 9 in one of those two boxes in the middle column. So the column next, the only place for the 9 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, 1 is missing, 2 and a 3 is missing. 1 and the 3, let me mark those two boxes. 1 and 3, okay. Alright, so we have a 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 5 should be there. 8 in this column, 8 in that column. So the column between, the only two places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, 9, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Then 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 5. We see here 5, no 5 in these two boxes. There 5, no 5 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 5 should be there. All right. Then. How about the number? Let me see, 3, 7. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. There 7, no 7 here. The only place for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only two places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. Then and a 3, okay. And a 4. Let me see. 2 in this column, 2 in the middle column. So in the column next, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see there 2, no 2 there, 2 should be here. Then 4, 8, 1. Okay, 3. How about 8. I'm thinking. 8. Yeah. How about the 5 in this row, the 5 in the last row. So in the row between, the only two places for the 5 should be here or there. You see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. Yeah. 2, 9, 3. Come on. It's taking too long. 3 in the first column, 3 in the second column. So third column, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see there 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here. 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. Missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see there 3, no 3 in these two boxes. There 3, no 3 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 3. Should be there. 3 in the last column, 3 in the column next. So in that column, the only 3 places for the 3 should be here, or there. We see there 3, no 3 there. Here 3, no 3 there. The only place for the 3 should be there. All right. Then. Yeah. How about the 2 in this column, the 2 in the column next. So in the last column, the only place for the 2 should be there. 1 4 7 1 4 7 1 4 7 5 and then 9. 5 and 9 and 4. Yeah. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 4. We see here 4, no 4 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 4. Should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8. And the 9 is missing. 1 and a 9. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 1 and a 9. That means 1 box left in this row for the number, the middle row for the number 2. All right. Okay. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers. So 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 1 goes there. Okay. 2 numbers left in this row for the numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8 is missing. 1 and the 8. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here. And the 8 goes there. Now we have an 8 there. So this box can be 8 anymore. That box should be an 8. And this box should be a 4. All right. Okay. 8, 4. 4. Then the 7 in the first column, the 7 in the second column. So the third column, only place for the 7 should be there. Now we have a 7 there, so this box can be 7 anymore. That box should be a 7, and this box should be a 9. 7 in the third row, 7 in the second row. So the first row, only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see there's 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here. And all the 7s are used. I can see the digit number 2, number 7. All right. Then. 2 numbers left in the middle column for the numbers 1 and a 3, 1 and a 3. And look, we have a 1 there, so no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. 2 numbers left in this big square for the number. So 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and the 4. We see here 1, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 1 box left in this row for the number, the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. All right. Okay, so 3 missing numbers. No, 6 missing numbers. Wait. Yeah. In this big square. We have an 8 in this row, 8 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So the third column, the only 2 places for the 8 should be here or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see this is number 3, number 8. All right. 1 number left in this row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. 1 and a 9 are left in this big square. We have a 1 here, so this box cannot be a 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 9. So we have a 1 in this last column, the 1 in that column. So the column between, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 number left in this column for the number Well, the 4 is missing. 4 in this column, 4 in the last column. So the column between, the only place for the 4 should be here. 4 in the first row, 4 in the second row. So the third row, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see there 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 in the first column, 4 in the second column. So the third column, only place for the 4 should be here. And all the 4s are used. I can see. This is number 4. All right. One number left in the third column for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, the 9 is missing. 1 box left in this big square for number 1. 1 in the third column, 1 in the second column. So the first column, only 2 places for the 1 should be here or there. We see there 1, no 1 there, 1 should be here. 1 number left in this row, the second row for the number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and the 8. So 1 box left for the number 9. 2 boxes left in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 2 and the 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there, 9 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and the 5, we see here 2. No 2 there, 2 should be here, and the 5 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5 is missing, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 5 and the 9, we have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 9 goes there. Finish in 60 minutes. Told you between 15 and 20 minutes I need to solve a 2-star Sudoku. So yeah, I'm pleased with the time and I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching and I will see you later with the third puzzle, a killer Sudoku we have here. So see you then. Bye bye for now.